Tubal Views, welcome back. I appreciate that you decided to stop by. Today, I'm just going to kind of toot my own horn. We're talking about boats.
Times I'm asked, how long does my wax work? Actually, oftentimes I'm told it only lasts a couple of days because apparently I don't know what I'm doing using a compound and not wet sanding. This boat is over a year old. In other words, the wax job is over a year old. And yeah, there's a little bit of oxidation right around here. And there's a scuff. I didn't do that. The Cobalt, conveniently, just to help me sell this argument, looks like ass. It looked really good last time we were touching it, but the boat has a good shine. It's got good color. And if this was your boat, well, I'd hope you'd be pretty proud of it. I like it. So how long does this last? This could have possibly gone 2 years if the owner had done a little 303 aerospace protectant every now and then. And you can see some lines from the cover. Here, I'll get a little bit closer. Maybe you can see those lines. That's just from the winter cover that he uses. But this boat looks outstanding on this side. I will admit, however, I will admit that while the starboard side looks good, the port side is showing some signs of haziness. There's a little scuff here. And overall, it just has a little cloudiness in the hull. But I'm not terribly worried about it. Oh yeah, look again how ugly this is. I guess that's a thing people like. But the top side, looking really good. Whoops, sorry. There we go. So yeah, how long does it last? It's up to you. If you help it last, it'll last a while. If you don't, maybe a year.
So while we did a really good job last year and the owner kept the boat going, it could have gone further. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.